10 life-saving iPhone battery hacks. Never run out of power again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 10 tips for saving battery life on your iPhone. Whether you're constantly on the go or just trying to make your phone last through the day, these tips are sure to come in handy. The first tip is to lower your screen brightness. Your phone's screen is one of the biggest drains on your battery, so by turning down the brightness, you can save a significant amount of power. The second tip is to turn off unnecessary features. Things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data can all eat up your battery if you're not using them. So if you're not actively using these features, turn them off and save power. The third tip is to close unnecessary apps. If you're not using an app, there's no need to keep it running in the background. Just swipe up to close it and save battery. The fourth tip is to use airplane mode in low signal areas. When your phone is searching for a signal, it can use a lot of power. So if you're in an area with poor reception, put your phone in airplane mode to save battery. The fifth tip is to use a battery-saving app. There are a ton of apps available that can help you track your battery usage and give you suggestions on how to save power. The sixth tip is to disable background app refresh. This feature allows apps to update even when you're not using them. Disabling it will help save your battery. The seventh tip is to disable dynamic wallpapers. Dynamic wallpapers can consume a lot of resources and drain your battery, so sticking with a static wallpaper can save you power. The eighth tip is to disable location services for unnecessary apps. Some apps may access your location even when you're not using them. Disabling location services for these apps can help save your battery. The ninth tip is to enable low power mode. This will automatically enable several power-saving features when your phone's battery gets low. The 10th and final tip is to charge your phone correctly. Avoid overcharging your phone or leaving it plugged in when it's already fully charged. This can shorten your battery's lifespan and degrade its performance over time. And there you have it, the top 10 tips for saving battery life on your iPhone. I hope you found these tips helpful and they will help you to improve your phone's battery. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.